What's it, guys, Chris? The thunderstorm, guys. I just felt it earlier. I saw the light when I was playing Minecraft earlier. I saw the bright thing, and that was like a thunderstorm right there. Holy crap! Holy moly! Dang. Wonder how loud is that gonna be? Wonder. That gave me the shivers a little bit. Holy moly. I wonder if I can actually record like this. Or I just record like this so that I get a good view. Wow, look at that. Give me a good view to record like that. Wow. It's freaking loud right there. Like a minute ago. Thunderstorm. So yeah, that's definitely a thunderstorm right there. Wonder if I can actually get on film. I saw it actually in front of my own eyes earlier when I was at KFC. We were shopping at KFC like a while ago. Went something to eat. Now it's 5:11. Thunderstorm. So far I don't see a thunderstorm right now. Not quite yet. You know, I went one time when I was little, I was like scared of fire alarm, but not anymore. Oh dang, I hear that. You know, like the fire alarm? I know, like, it's not that scary though, but you know, like, me when I was little, like, I get scared of fire alarm because it hurts my ears. I get kind of scared if my ears get deaf or something. You know, that's why. So I get scared of it, but I'm not that scared much anymore. But man, I'll see a thunderstorm right now. Well, I just hope that the power is not gonna go off. I just hope the power will still be there because I'm playing right now and see. I mean, it was sunny like 3 hours ago. Really hot. Now it just turned out to be stormy right now. Stormy right now. Wow. I'm gonna go try and film it, guys. So I'm gonna play Minecraft. I'll film like that. Ooh. Like, I wonder if you can actually see that. Well, I saw the light. I'm just gonna film like that, guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna play Minecraft. Alright, here we go. Going down. You know what? Screw it. Gotta conquer my fear. Time to look in front of my own eyes. I actually did though, but let's see if I can actually do it here this time. I definitely had to charge my stuff. So right now I'm charging everything right now. It's my PSP, school laptop, my chargers, and my other phone. The old phone called Samsung Galaxy S2. You just have to record it when doing a drink run or something. I see no sign of lightning. I don't see any sign of lightning right now. Well, that's weird. There has to be. Wow, wow, wow. It was actually over there. I just saw that. Holy moly. Dang. You know my brother one time, we were at KFC, he felt the vibration. Oh man. Never had this in a long time, Thunderstorm. Wow. Dang. I saw that flash. You know the bright white thing? Okay, well. Wonder if we're gonna actually record the whole time, but I need to charge my phone, you know? Because so you know like, I can use it while the power's down, but who knows though? Power might go off, the power might still remain on. Who knows? Well, I just hope that the power will still be on. You know, like I'm playing my computer, you know? See? Minecraft. Get that block. Yeah. Hit bird. Now I'm just waiting for a lightning. Try to get on film, you know? You know what I'm saying? Now, I used to saw like Mount Rainier over there, but now it's not there anymore. It's like the clouds cover it. But man, I wonder when it's gonna over. When will it be over? So I think tomorrow might be over. This could be a sunny day. I should wear shorts. Man, I keep seeing the flash, but I don't see the lightning bolt. I'm sorry if it's loud. It's my computer. Sorry about that. It's because you know if you're playing something or doing something, it gets loud. Man, so far I don't see any lightning bolt yet. So far nothing. Okay, now I'm kind of getting bored right now. I don't see a lightning bolt right now. I did saw one over there earlier. Oh! I caught it. It was actually over there. Oh, that was loud. You can actually hear it from the radiation. Well, I just saw it over there. Yeah, I should record the whole time. Wow, whoa, whoa, that's a bright. Alright, well, I gotta go, guys, so I gotta play Minecraft before the power goes down. Who knows? So I'm gonna play it as well as I can and charge my phone. Peace out.